Here's a 2008 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. It comes with great features you love: AM/FM stereo radio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive declares this so-called crossover is impressively smooth, comfortable, responsive in all driving situations, and flexible when it comes to hauling people or cargo. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.